Good afternoon. It is a great honor to accept this 2023 Program Award for Culture of Excellence in Mentoring as Program Leader of the HSDM Bridge to Dental School Program. This award acknowledges the contributions of an amazing team made mostly of DMD students. On behalf of the Bridge to Dental School Program team, I would like to share my deepest gratitude for this recognition. We are honored, humbled, and incredibly excited to accept this award. Thank you, Dr. Reed, and the awards committee for making opportunities like this possible to bring about awareness around some of the awesome mentoring programs at HMS and HSDM. Thank you, Dean Ginobili, for your continued support on initiatives such as the Bridge to Dental School program, which plays an active role in confirming the school's commitment to fostering inclusive excellence through our outreach and pathway initiatives. Mentoring is critical to the process of training tomorrow's leaders. However, mentoring is not an egalitarian system that is experienced by all. The Bridge to Dental School program is an interactive mentoring program that provides specialized education to enhance equity in the attainment of critical skill and career development training in dentistry. The Bridge to Dental School program is dedicated to growing the oral health community by way of supporting and encouraging students from underrepresented groups on a successful journey of realizing their professional aspirations. To date, HSDM continues to see growing numbers in underrepresented student applicants. Participant comments repeatedly express a deep sense of satisfaction, accomplishment, and agency to navigating the process with confidence and awareness of support. Thank you so much.
CATCH stands for Career Advancement Through Community at Harvard. CATCH was developed and launched in 2021 by 2 underrepresented in medicine trainees, 4 underrepresented in medicine trainees. The CATCH program matches local faculty mentors to URIM medical students and trainees in our community.
The primary goal of CATCH is to foster a welcoming environment and strong sense of community within the Harvard Medical School affiliated hospital system, while also providing mentorship and educational sessions that focus on facilitating success in academic medical careers.
CATCH has established an intergenerational support system that has created a more equitable playing field for students who identify as URIM, particularly those who are first generation or low income. These students have mentioned that this is their first time feeling like they have someone to turn to who can guide and support them along the way.
For many mentees, their parents do not speak English and are not familiar with the U.S. medical or education system, making it difficult to turn to close family or friends for guidance about career advancement. As physicians in training, having mentors who have taken the time to develop meaningful relationships with you creates a welcoming space where reaching out feels comfortable.
The mentors have become important resources as students have transitioned into clerkships, applied for advanced electives, engaged in research, and applied to residency. Additionally, by having social events within the group, mentees have been able to create near-peer communities where they can share challenges and troubleshoot through difficulties together. Overall, mentees report that CATCH has made HMS feel more welcoming and like they truly belong within the Harvard Medical School and affiliated hospital system.
I am thrilled on behalf of the Franklin Epstein Society at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center to accept the 2023 Program Award for Culture of Excellence in Mentoring from Harvard Medical School. The goal of our program is to nurture and provide longitudinal support for individuals interested in a research career, whether they are MDs, PhDs, or MD PhDs, and along the pipeline from residency to fellowship, including postdoctoral fellows to junior faculty. This program was named in honor of Frank Epstein, who was the epitome of the physician scientist who would make observations at the bedside to inform research studies and to understand physiology and pathophysiology. Housed within our Office for Academic Careers, the Epstein Society has 3 goals. First, to develop a strong community of new investigators and foster collaborations. Second, to maximize teaching and mentorship related to research and career development, whether it's basic, translational, clinical, or outcomes research. And third, provide feedback and a strong institutional letter of support for those individuals applying for an NIHK or similar career development award. Our program consists of 3 aspects. The first is a monthly lecture series with topics including grant writing skills, obtaining non-NIH grant funding, lab management and budgets, mentor-mentee expectations, and responding to your summary statement, to mention a few. We also provide grant application critiques, including specific aims page reviews, as well as providing resources for grant writing. And then finally, we provide career mentoring in part through our Office of Academic Careers. Thank you again for this honor for our Epstein Society.
We are thrilled to accept the incredible honor of the Program Award for Culture of Excellence in Mentoring on behalf of the Fostering Diversity in HIV Research Program.
We developed this program because of the unacceptably low level of racial and ethnic diversity among HIV researchers, which is also the case in many other fields. We work with master's and PhD students, medical residents, and postdoctoral fellows.
The program consists of 2 primary components. First, we train mentors with the skills necessary to support trainees who are underrepresented in medicine. We worked with the University of California in San Francisco to adapt their mentoring program called Mentoring the Mentor, which is based on social cognitive career theory. We added elements on the support needed to first acknowledge the role of race, ethnicity, and other forms of diversity, such as gender and age, within mentoring relationships. We then help mentors develop skills and tools with which they can serve as allies to their mentees. Our training consists of a 2-day workshop, as well as quarterly 2-hour sessions that utilize the Mentoring Across Differences curriculum from Osmond and Gottlieb. The mentors then form a cohort for mutual support in mentoring excellence.
The second component of our program focuses on the trainees themselves. We meet individually with each trainee to determine their mentoring needs, including research and career mentoring, as well as any support they may need specifically around being underrepresented in their field. We then help fill those gaps and also provide a research stipend to enhance their career development. We host monthly seminars that are split equally between HIV research topics and career development, such as resilience and debt management. We also support our trainees in managing bias and discrimination and being mentored across differences. Finally, we have a pilot of year-long stipends to further facilitate the transition into early faculty positions.
Our program was funded by the National Institutes of Health in 2019, and we enrolled our first cohort in 2020. We have trained and supported over 50 mentors and nearly 40 trainees to date. We are very proud of our program and are humbled by the honor of this award. Thank you.